Hey guys, after we prepared everything, now it's time to cook our lasagna sauce. Right here I got 7 spoons of olive oil. When the oil is hot, let's add our chopped garlic. I'm using 10 cloves of chopped garlic. Now let's add our white onion. And right here I got 4 pounds of ground beef, medium. Let's mix it up. Now I'm gonna add the chopped parsley. Yeah, okay. Starting to saute. Now let's add the portobello mushroom. Now let's add some chopped basil. Mix it up. Okay, let's add some salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon each. Let's add beef powder, 1 tablespoon. Now let's add tomato sauce. I'm using thick and rich tomato sauce, 680 ml. And rinse it up a bit. Don't forget there's a leftover sauce inside the can. Make sure to rinse it. And right here I got 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. So our pasta sauce is ready. Now let's make our lasagna. Right here I got a glass tray. What I do first, I'm gonna layer our pasta sauce. Just like that. Spread it nice and evenly. Then I'm gonna add our oven ready pasta. This pasta I'm using is oven ready. You don't need to boil. After that, we're gonna layer our mozzarella cheese and then our ricotta. So that's what we're gonna be doing over and over until you fill up the whole tray. It's like what I'm doing right now. So our lasagna is ready to be cooked in the oven. So right here, I'm just gonna add a little bit of liquid in the corner to keep our pasta moist, so it won't get dried quick. Now this baby is ready. Now we have to cook it in the oven. I'm gonna put a little bit of basil on the top, and this one is ready to go to the oven. I'm gonna set the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna cook this one 45 to 1 hour. Hey guys, here's your yummy lasagna. Wow, this one looks so succulent and delicious. Let's give it a shot, see how it tastes like. Look at that, guys. Isn't that look yummy? Now I'm gonna put a little bit of Caesar salad on the side, and we're gonna give it a try, see how it tastes like. Oh, hot. Wow, ang sarap. It's so yummy. This is the best. Nice and tasty. Thank you. Hi guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video that I shared with you today, how to make yummy lasagna. Hope to see you guys again next time. Don't forget to share, subscribe, or leave a comment below. Till then, bye bye, and God bless to each and every one of you.